Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening both workbooks so you can immediately reference cells. This saves time and avoids errors. Once done, confirm which is the source and which is the destination, because that determines the link direction. Make sure editing is enabled and calculation is set to automatic, and check Trust Center settings for external links permission, otherwise Excel may block updates. Now locate the exact cell or range in the source. You'll use those references in the next step to create the live link. You create a link by typing equals into the destination cell, switching to the source workbook, clicking the exact cell and pressing enter. Excel writes the external reference for you. Once you understand that, decide between absolute and relative references. Use $1 when the link must stay fixed, or leave it relative to copy across rows. For ranges, build formulas like SUM with the external range. If you need many linked cells, copy the source range and use paste special right arrow paste link to populate links efficiently. You finish by reviewing links via data right arrow edit links to verify sources, update, or break connections. This central tool prevents surprises when moving files. If you encounter #ref errors, make sure the original workbook is available and that sheets or ranges weren't renamed or deleted. Relink or restore those items. For larger, repeatable transfers, transition to Power Query. It pulls tables cleanly and refreshes on demand. One troubleshooting tip: always keep source files in predictable folders to avoid broken path issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.